Alright guys, hello! So do you remember that super fancy air sterilizer that I told you about a couple of videos ago? Well, this device here brings air and surface sterilization to another level. So you want to hear this. I'm very excited about the Pristify Is series. So this is the IS 300, which covers up to 40 square meters. And we have a bigger version, which is the IS 500, which covers up to 75 square meters. And this is a very versatile device. Why? First, it sterilizes air and surfaces simultaneously, and I'm going to explain how. But starting with the basics, it has a HEPA H13 filter that traps particles down to 0.1 micrometers. And this is coupled with an activated carbon filter as well. And those filters are covered with dioxide titanium, and which is irradiated with UV LEDs that it has inside, ultraviolet LEDs. And when it irradiates that dioxide titanium, it self-sterilizes those filters. Okay? So this is very important because whatever is trapped on this filter, if it's a bacteria, viruses, fungi, volatile organic compounds, some of which are carcinogenic, as you may know, will be eliminated by this process. Now, the most important feature of this product is that it has a dielectric barrier discharge ionizer inside. So there's a DBD ionizer that creates positive ions and throws them to the air, and that cluster of ions that we call plasma will then fall down and sterilize all the air and surfaces that it touches. So it's very comprehensive because of that. So almost 100% of bacteria, viruses, fungi spores, volatile organic compounds, again, which some of them are carcinogenic, will be eliminated from air and surfaces. So sterilization of an environment or purification of an environment is more than just sterilizing the air or air filters. That's why this is so important. It's sterilizing the surfaces as well, because if you touch a surface, either it was contaminated by touch or by airborne pathogens, then you'll have a cross-contamination risk from your hand to somewhere else, right? To your mouth, to your eyes, to other surfaces, and then will cross-contaminate with other surfaces as well. So this is very important. If you eliminate those pathogens or VOCs from the air and from the surfaces, your environment is going to be much safer. And that's why this is so important, not to sterilize just the air or not just the surfaces, everything, because from one it goes to the other and you're never safe because it will create a loop. This is why this is so versatile and so important. And you'll see when you turn it on, it has a VOC counter, and as it detects the VOC, it will increase or decrease the speed of the fan. And again, in the process of eliminating the VOCs, it eliminates the bacteria, the viruses, the fungi, and other nasty stuff that is in the air and on the surfaces. This is very important, not just the air, surfaces as well. So I hope you are as excited as I am, and you feel as protected as I feel by using this device at home or in your office.